Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to another Arabic lesson on العربية للناشئين كتاب الثاني book 2. In today's lesson, we are going to look at الدرس التاسع, that is lesson 9. And the topic of this lesson is تدريبات, that is exercises. And inshallah, today we are going to be looking at Al-Wahdatu Al-Thalitha, chapter 3. So the first exercise, here we have an instruction that says Insakh. Insakh means copy. So in this first exercise, we are provided with a type of Al-Khat known as Al-Khattu Al-Ruk'a in Arabic language. So what they want us to do here is to master how to write the following sentences in Al-Khattu Al-Ruk'a. So we could repeat this as many times as we can to master how to write in this Al-Khat. So now let's look at the next one. And here we have an instruction that says Imla il-firaghi bil-kalimatil munasiba. This means fill the empty space with the suitable word. So these are the words that we are going to use to fill the following incomplete sentences. So the first one, here we have Yajlisul mudiru dash at-tawila. So the most suitable one here should be Yajlisul mudiru khalf at-tawilati. That is, the principal seat behind the table. Number two, we have Fatimatu dash al-malabisa. So here we are going to say Fatimatu taghsilu al-malabisa. Fatima is washing the clothes. Number three, we have Walidati tu'iddu at-ta'ama. My mother is preparing the food. Number four, we have Ukhti dash ghurfat al-julusi. So here we are going to say Ukhti tunadhifu ghurfat al-julusi. My sister is cleaning or tidying up the sitting room. Number five, we have dash sadiqi ila radio. So here we are going to say yastami'u sadiqi ila radio. My friend is listening to the radio. So this is the second one. So now let's look at the third exercise. And here we have an instruction that says Rattibil kalimatil atiya. Arrange the following words litakuna jumalan mufidatan, to become meaningful sentences. So here the first one we have fi hadha ghurfa akhi an-nawm. So to make this to be a meaningful sentence, we're going to say hadha akhi fi ghurfati an-nawmi. That is, this is my brother, he is in the bedroom. So number two, we have Jamilatin ukhti fi shaqqatin taskunu. So here we are going to say taskunu ukhti fi shaqqatin jamilatin. That is, my sister lives in a beautiful flat. Number four, we have at-tilfiziyun amama al-awlad yajlisu. Yajlisu al-awladu amama at-tilfiziyuna. That is, the children are sitting in front of the television. So this is how we are going to complete this exercise. So now let's look at the next one. And here we have an instruction that says Istabdil, exchange ma'a taghyiri, with changing ma yalzamu, what is required, kama fil mithal, according to the example. So before the example, we have هذا والد أحمد في الحديقة. This is Ahmad's father in the garden. هذا والد أحمد في الحديقة. This is Ahmad's father in the garden. Al-Mithal, the first example, we have Walidatun and Al-Matbakh. Walidatun, that is mother, and Al-Matbakh, the kitchen. So as for the first one, we are going to say هذه walidatu Ahmada. That is, this is Ahmad's mother. Then as for al-matbakh, we're going to see fil matbakhi is in the kitchen. So this is how we're going to be doing the exercise. Number one, we have sadiqun and as-saf. Sadiqun, a friend, as-saf, the class. So as for sadiqun, you're going to say hada sadiqu Ahmada. This is Ahmad's friend, fi saffi, in the class. Number two, we have ukhtun and al-mal'ab. So as for ukhtun, we are going to say hadihi ukhtu Ahmada. This is Ahmad's sister, fil mal'abi, in the field. Number three, we have ustadun and al-maktaba. Hada ustadu Ahmada. This is Ahmad's teacher, fil maktabati, in the library. So this is how we are going to complete this exercise. So with this, we have come to the end of the exercises that are below the lesson, the previous lesson we looked at, which was ad-darsu al-thaminu, lesson 8. And inshallah, this is where we are going to end our today's class. We hope we enjoy the class. See you in our next lesson. Ma'as salamati, ila al-liqa.